Yo, what's going on, gamers? It's your boy Primetime, coming to you guys with a TBT pack opening. Without further ado, let's hop right into it. Aw, come on, man. Don't cheese me like that, EA. Come on, man. Thought we were chill, bro. I thought we were chill, EA. Come on, no look, come on. Be great! Back to back Arian Fosters. I can't anymore, guys. I'm done with these packs. I'm done with these. I'm going on to flashbacks because I can't. Alright, guys. Thank you all for watching. I'm out.